Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Mandro here, and today we are going to be drawing a witch that is Picasso style. It's a lot like the Frankenstein drawing, but we just have to move things down a little bit so that we have some room for the hat. So the very first thing we're going to do is we are going to start with the hat. So find the middle of your paper and come up about an inch, maybe about here, and go ahead and draw a straight line. The straight line is going to be the brim of the hat, and I'm going to draw another straight line underneath it because it's a thin brim. And then we're just going to take the hat off the page. So find the middle. So the middle is about here. And then just go up. And it's okay if the point of the hat does not show. All right, so now we have the hat. The next part we're going to work on is the face. The face is going to come down to here. And then we're going to slant our line in and then do her chin. So I'm going to kind of go in line with the hat and come straight down to here and do the same thing on this side. Straight down. And then do a slanted line in. So we have a triangle here. We're working on a rectangle here. We're going to bring that in. If you're using pencil, you might want to just draw your rectangle out and then erase those corners so that you have a shape like this. All right, now that we have this much done, we're going to work on the bangs. So just start about an inch down, and you're just going to do a zigzag line up and down any way you want to. All right, so now we have her hair on her face. Next, we'll work on her ears. And on this project, it's Picasso and styled, so we're going to kind of just do them a little bit weird or different. So I'm going to put one up here, and then we're going to put one down where it would normally be. And those are just half circles that you're putting there. The next thing that we're going to work on is her neck. So go ahead and bring two lines down. Do a little curve there, and then give her some shoulders. All right. Now that we have that neck done, we're going to jump back up to her face, and we're going to give her that Picasso styled eye. So one is going to go sideways, the other one's going to be straight on. So I'm going to start with the straight on one, and you're just going to make a circle and then a little dot in the middle. And on this side, you're going to make an oval. Here's an oval, and then you're going to draw some straight lines above and below it. Let's see, there's my original. Okay, and then you're going to go in and add your lines, your dots. I'm trying to remember where we did that. I think that's going to go here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And being it's a witch and it's a female, I'm going to give her some eyelashes. It's up to you what you want to do. You can do eyelashes or none. Okay, now this part is where we're going to do the nose and the mouth. Let's go ahead and do the mouth first, and you can do that mouth any shape you want. I'm going to kind of do, this time do like an oval for her mouth. And we're going to give her some jagged teeth. So let's give her a tooth here, maybe something a little jagged. If you want, it can do a broken type tooth. All right, she doesn't have the best of teeth. That's okay. All right, and then now we're going to do the nose, but the nose is going to be a continuous line that goes all the way down her neck. So we're not going to draw over the mouth. We're going to pretend we're going to pick up our marker or pencil when we get to the mouth. So start in the middle of the forehead. We're going to come down, come out with a pointy nose. Down there, lift your pencil, go below the mouth, straight line, and then down her neck, just like that. Okay. Now the next part we're going to do is going to work on her hair, and we're going to use some zigzags for her hair. So if you start at her head, you can zigzag out. If you would prefer to do wavy lines, you can do wavy lines. So I'm taking that all the way down, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Do some zigzag lines all the way down. All right. And then our next, last thing that we're going to do is we're going to use some organic shapes on her cheeks. So an organic shape is just a shape that's not geometric. It's just kind of an irregular shape. And if you would like to decorate her hat, you could put anything on it. So we are done with our witch. From this point, we would color. If you want to add some other details or do it in your own style, that would be fine too. Again, you're the artist. You decide what you want to do. All right, I hope you had fun drawing the Picasso inspired witch with me, and I can't wait to see how they turn out.